cue. Hold on. No, not yet, not yet, not yet. So today, we're going to do a new unboxing of some new lures that I got from Tackle Warehouse that I'm going to try this year in the creeks because I'm going to do some creek fishing this year. And yeah, so let's get into it. I do have an assistant that doesn't like to be on the camera. He will be unboxing. What's our first one that we got there, good sir? Whoa. We have a Whopper Plopper in the 75 size. What are you laughing at? Why?
Just gotta cut those parts out.
Anyways, he's making me laugh. We got the Whopper Plopper. Gonna be trying it this year. What else do we got? I got some Yum Dingers. Green pumpkin. I don't remember what size I got. But, yep, we're gonna be trying the Yum Dingers. What else we got, sir? Got another Yum Dinger and the bubble gum. Big ones. Big lures, big fish. What else we got? Try something else. We got some Z-Man swim baits, 3-inch. Got the Bad Shad. The Bad Shad. Reminds me of Bad Dad. What else we got? I think this is the last one, isn't it? And then we got another Z-Man Red Bone 3-inch swim bait. So yeah, you will come along with me and check those out this year. Thanks for watching. I say bye.